No other company in the world focuses so single-mindedly on manufacturing and retreading aircraft tyres as Dunlop Aircraft Tyres. It is all it does, all it thinks about, all it devotes its time to. And no other company in the world can say that. For the tyres are the only part of the aircraft that is ever in contact with the ground. And despite spending so much time tucked away, for those moments during takeoff and landing, their role is vital. Tyre performance matters. When an aircraft weighing more than a giant earth mover touches down at Formula One racing car speeds, it is always, without fail, an extraordinary moment. The tyres affect passenger comfort, safety and fuel burn, and tyres represent a major consumable item for airlines. Aircraft tyres are a specialist product. Manufacturing aircraft tyres is a specialist business. Dunlop Aircraft Tyres is the only specialist manufacturer and retreader of aircraft tyres in the world. It is focused 100% on world-class aircraft tyres and nothing else. Dunlop is a long-established company with a global reach. A combined manufacturing and retread plant in the UK serves Europe, the Middle East and Africa, while further retreading facilities in China and North America mean that Dunlop can support aircraft around the world. The company manufactures tyres for small commuter turboprops through to large wide-bodied passenger aircraft. It supports military operators around the world with tyres for agile fighters, large transporters and everything in between, as well as providing tyres for general aviation, business jets and rotorcraft. Dunlop Aircraft Tyres holds accreditations for its quality management system from certification agencies around the world. In total, Dunlop holds over 500 approvals covering 300 aircraft types. The Eurofighter Typhoon, the latest generation of European military aircraft. Working closely with aircraft manufacturers, Dunlop Aircraft Tyres provides innovative solutions to meet the challenges posed by the latest generation of aircraft, from airliners to supersonic military jets. The name Dunlop has been synonymous with tyres since their invention. In 1889, John Boyd Dunlop founded the Pneumatic Tyres Company and Booth's Cycle Agency that was to become the Dunlop Rubber Company Limited. The company made its first tyres for aircraft in 1910 with the introduction of a wire-spoked wheel with a beaded tyre designed specifically for the fledgling aviation market. From these early origins to the present day, countless civil and military aircraft have landed on Dunlop tyres. Since 1996, Dunlop Aircraft Tyres has been an independent business, and now, over a century after the creation of its first aircraft tyre, the company is the world's only specialist manufacturer and retreader of aircraft tyres. The workforce is highly skilled and efficient, qualities underpinned by Dunlop's commitment to ongoing training and development. The plant features some of the most sophisticated manufacturing equipment used in aircraft tyre production. This is the latest semi-automatic production equipment. Major investment in new technology has accelerated production time, further improving efficiency and quality. The company employ the best people in their field and give them the best and latest equipment. Where appropriate, the factory has an unparalleled ability to manufacture efficiently in small batch sizes. This gives Dunlop the flexibility to switch output quickly to meet customers' needs. A unique advantage that cuts delivery times and improves service to its global base of customers. In the fast-moving world of aviation, new product development is essential. Dunlop continues to expand its range of radial and bias aircraft tyres to meet the varied needs of operators worldwide. Be it a lightweight, high landing life radial tyre or a super strong bias tyre with enhanced foreign object damage resistance, Dunlop Aircraft Tyres has the knowledge and experience to develop and then to manufacture a tyre that is truly world-class. Retreading is an integral part of an aircraft tyre's life cycle. The process maximizes each tyre's working life and reduces the cost of ownership for operators. Before a tyre is retreaded, it is examined carefully to ensure its suitability for the retread process. The tyre undergoes non-destructive testing with state-of-the-art shearography machines. It is tested for air leaks and is visually inspected before being returned to the customer to be refitted to an aircraft. Retreading sites around the world reduce transport costs and turnaround times for customers. The facility in China serves the Asia-Pacific region and has the capacity to meet the increasing demands of the region's rapidly growing aviation sector. Dunlop can retread tyres originally produced by competitors and is establishing itself as a major supplier in this part of the world. Eventually, the tyre will reach the end of its service life, and when this time comes, Dunlop disposes of the tyre in an environmentally sensitive manner. Dunlop's obsessive commitment to manufacturing world-class aircraft tyres is ingrained in the company's DNA. The design team benefits greatly from its own in-house development facilities, which support a rigorous testing regime. This equipment speeds up the design process and helps the company to bring world-class products to market more quickly. Working with some of the UK's leading universities and partners, Dunlop is at the forefront of research into aircraft tyre technology. Here, Dunlop and Airbus are collaborating with Birmingham University to pioneer new methods of aircraft tyre modelling. Dunlop is also at the forefront of research into next-generation tyres, which will be lighter than tyres today, will offer increased landing life and improved resistance to foreign object damage. Intelligent tyres will feature technology to monitor health and performance. This will enable aircraft operators to optimize the life of the tyre, whilst radio frequency tags will improve the efficiency of the supply chain. Although Dunlop design, manufacture and retread the tyres are delivered around the world to be fitted to aircraft by operators or maintenance, repair and overhaul firms. And given the vital role tyres play in aircraft safety, Dunlop knows that this is where customer service and the personal touch really count. The company's technical support team regularly hosts seminars and trains customers to optimize tyre life through best practice maintenance procedures. Dunlop Aircraft Tyres offers a unique package, constantly developing new products, pushing the boundaries of aircraft tyre technology, over a century of experience in aircraft tyre development and production, and retreading operations across 3 continents. It's all about first-class products with unmatched service. Dunlop Aircraft Tyres, world-class aircraft tyres, and nothing else.